In extreme chemical environments, ordinary fasteners fail. Hastelloy C-276 hex bolts are engineered to perform where corrosion, heat, and pressure are constant challenges. They are widely used in chemical processing plants, reactors, heat exchangers, and offshore industries, where reliability is critical. With outstanding resistance to pitting, crevice corrosion, and aggressive chemicals, Hastelloy C276 delivers long service life and safety. At Anuraj Fasteners, every Hastelloy C276 bolt is precision manufactured, thoroughly inspected, and trusted for extreme conditions. Anuraj Fasteners, engineering strength you can rely on.